What's up, guys? It's Gamer405 here. I want to welcome y'all to my channel. In this channel, we'll be doing giveaways, we'll be doing unboxings, we'll be doing some gameplays on my Xbox One. We'll be doing a lot of gamer tech stuff like that. So this will be my very first video on this channel. I want to thank y'all for visiting. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment before we get on with this unboxing video actually. So thank y'all for visiting, and today we are actually going to do a soundbar unboxing. I forgot what it's called, the brand of it, but I'll get to that here in a second when I open it up. But here we go, unboxing soundbar. I think it only cost me about 60 bucks, so kind of like one of those cheap soundbars. So hopefully we're gonna test out the quality of it too. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back at it. Let me get my knife out. We're gonna cut this bad boy up. This is actually pretty. I don't think they put any bubble wrap or any kind of paper or anything to freaking secure this, because it's all wobbly, so they better not damage my daggum soundbar. Alright, let's cut this open. Alright. Oh jeez. Safety first, put it up. Bam. Alright. Open. Well, I was wrong. They did put some paper in here, but one thing of paper like this, really, it's not gonna secure this sucker in there. Alright, we have, drum roll please. Brrr, boom. Here we go. That was a crappy drum roll. It is the, where's that? Y'all are gonna roast me on this. It's the TaoTronics soundbar, wireless soundbar, model TT SKO17. Right there. If y'all can see it, read backwards if you got talent. There we go. TaoTronics. This is not a sponsored video, so I am shouting them out because it's my first video. Alright, TaoTronics. Here we go. Get this box out the way. Alright, y'all probably can't see that, but we got the box right here. We're going to cut it open, so another unboxing of an unbox. That didn't really make sense, but oh well. Alright, cut this down the middle. Shouldn't be doing it like that. Let me put it down. Okay. Now this box right here is packaged a little bit better. As you can see, it is secure, basically secured in there very well. Got to give them props on that. Alright, we got the remote. We got the, I think the, if you want to just plug it in direct, oh no, yeah, if you want to plug it into your TV. I don't know what, never mind, hold on, let me open this up and tell you. I'm not very tech savvy on cords, so we got the remote right here, but bam, you know what a remote is. And then these cords right here, y'all probably know what that is, I don't. And we actually don't know what this is. Here's the mounting screws if you want to actually mount it on the wall, which I won't be doing. I'll be mounting it on my TV stand. You can add an extended 18 months to your warranty. Register on blah 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 blah. Which I probably won't be doing. Probably won't do that. Since it was a cheap enough soundbar, probably won't be registering any warranty. And in this little nifty box right here, we have the the power supply. I know what this is. This is the power supply. So I guess this cord right here is if you want to connect it. Oh, if you want to do like your phone or iPod or your TV for sound. Okay, got that there. Alright, what y'all been waiting for, the soundbar. Woo! And here's a little mounting template. If you mount it on the wall, it tells you, where to put your screws at and everything. Pretty nice on that. For a box. Alright, here we go. Get the foam off. Get the foam. Tape. Ooh, boy. Very nice quality, I would say so myself. Alright guys, here we go. The TaoTronics Soundbar. It's got the little TT, their little logo right there on the end. Pretty nice. I like the front speaker. It's actually pretty nice quality with metal. I like how you can't really see the speakers in there. I'm just real picky on stuff like that. I don't really like seeing the speakers through the mesh, which is really nice on this. It's actually got the little rubber grips for putting it on your surface so it doesn't slide. Then it's got the line in, the optical and DC in plug-ins right there for your power supply and stuff like that. And then you got the mounting brackets for the wall right there. Pretty nice quality. It's actually not too light, but it's not too heavy. I actually really like that. And it's about, how long is it? Lock myself in here. It is actually about almost 24.5 inches. It's not too big, not too small. I actually really like it. Here's a little comparison. I know I'm cutting my head off in this video, slouching over, but I want to get the proper lighting, proper footage of this. So do a little comparison to my husky body. But it's about that, yay big, So I really like it. So next, ooh, I like the sides right there. It's actually got like grooves on the side there. Okay, and on this side we got the power button, Bluetooth, volume up and down, and probably like a source button or something right there, if you can see it. Next we're gonna actually hook this stuff up, do a little sound test on my TV. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little unboxing. And next you will be seeing the sound test. So sit back and enjoy this video. We have power. Alright guys, we finally got the AC plug hooked in. Seemed like forever, so I'm gonna see if I can actually hook it up to my Bluetooth. Wait, I'm actually recording on my phone, so I can't really check the Bluetooth music on there, so we are actually going to, oh geez, how am I gonna do the Bluetooth? Well, we're going to turn my TV on and see if we can get some sound quality out of this. Alright guys, I've been at this thing for about 30 freaking minutes and I can't get this daggum thing to freaking play sound out of my TV. It plays Bluetooth just fine. Bluetooth sound connects right up, but I'm plugging in my auxiliary, the video inputs for this TV, and they're plugged in perfectly, but I can't get the sound to freaking pop up on the TV. So I'm gonna try this some more and see if I can get this sound hooked up. So see y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm finally back. Apparently for some reason my smart TV, for some reason the audio inputs just won't work in it, so it's not playing sound. I don't know why. I'll have to do some more research on that, but in the meantime I actually hooked it up to the other TV we have in the house, and the sound quality was actually pretty good. I actually liked it. You can still hear a little bit of like some buzzing sound when it's not playing or anything, but I think that's typical to any soundbar, but I may be wrong. This is my first soundbar I've ever purchased, and For 60 bucks, you know, you can't beat it. You know, I'll probably, 1 out of 5, I'll probably give it 3.5. It's alright. It's got some nice bass to it. Not too much. You don't want to turn it all the way up because you'll get a little distortion, but I think it's a pretty good soundbar. Here's a little audio clip of the TV sound output and then the soundbar output. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoy this video, man. Hope y'all have a good day, a blessed day. So peace out until the next video. Peace out and God bless.